Hello guys, this is Zach's Hacks, bringing you a video on how to get mods for certain games, and the one I'm going to be touching on is Call of Duty World at War Zombies. Now you need a jailbroken device, so you will go to Cydia, then you go to Manage, Sources, and then you add, edit, add, hold on. Edit, add, okay, there we go. Cydia.imod game. Not games, game. .net, not .com, /. Then you would add that source, you would let it download, and then this is what would happen. This Natus lay game mods. And there will only be one thing. And it will come up at the very end of your thing, of your pages, as this, iOS mods. Now, not everything is free. Angry Birds is, Tiny Wings is, and so is Call of Duty Zombies. So, you get infinite ammo, and infinite money. So, let's go try it out. Okay, here we go. Now, it does not give you your money right away. You have to kill one zombie to get unlimited money. So I'm just gonna have to wait until one zombie comes along. As you can see, I have unlimited ammo, and then come on, zombies. As you can see, it will not give you. You still have 500, so you have to wait until you kill one zombie. Only one. There we go. Well, you just need to shoot him once. And boom. You have unlimited everything. You can unlock everything. Now, you do not get unlimited grenades, though. So, just unlimited ammo. I'm doing horrible. Die. Die. This is a better gun. So, this has been Zach's Hacks, and please subscribe.